In today's experiments, we're talking about carbon, amorphous carbon, which is sugar charcoal. So we're going to be getting sugar charcoal, which is actually a black substance. We'll be getting from sucrose. So this is sucrose or cane sugar, and we're using sulfuric acid. So it's a dehydration reaction in which the sucrose or cane sugar is dehydrated to produce 11 moles of water and 12 moles of carbon. Okay, so that's a lot of carbon. So this is what happens in that experiment. You just gently add the sulfuric acid. So initially this is a very slow process, but later it becomes a fast reaction. It's an exothermic process, so huge amount of heat will be released. So huge amount of heat will be liberated in this process. So it changes gradually to carbon. So which is an amorphous one. So it gradually goes black to produce sugar charcoal. So it was actually sucrose, which is cane sugar. So dehydration process is a gradual process that occurs gradually. It's a very gradual process. But later the reaction gets very exothermic. The reaction will get exothermic with time. So gradual process, gradual reaction, slow reaction at first. It feels hot to touch. So it's an exothermic process. So we'll wait. As time goes on gradually, the reaction becomes faster. It's a slow reaction initially, but with time, it gets faster and faster and faster. Yeah, so the reaction has started. It has started, so we're getting the carbon. So we're getting carbon. The carbon is, we can see, just like I said, it's 12 moles. So 12 moles is a lot. So, and because carbon has an absorption property, there's space in between the carbon atoms. So this is a very less dense substance. So it's an exothermic reaction. It feels hot to touch. As the process continues, it's very exothermic, as we can see. 12 moles of carbon. So there's a lot of carbon that is produced from that reaction. So the reaction continues gradually. So it's very exothermic. It seems almost as if the heat generated is even burning some of the charcoal, the sugar charcoal. And 11 moles of water is produced inside the beaker. So this is how you produce sugar charcoal. This is how you produce sugar charcoal. So that's how sugar charcoal is produced. So sugar charcoal is an amorphous carbon. It's not a crystalline carbon. So since it's not a crystalline carbon, it doesn't have a sharp melting point. So it's a solid. It has a range of melting points because it's not crystalline. It's amorphous.